Hi everyone. Today I'm here not for any LRDI set or not for any Gyan or strategy, but I'm here to share a very important news and a pleasant surprise for all the CAT aspirants. Yes, you heard it right. So a lot of times, one common mistake that I've seen or one common pain point that I see from a student's point of view is that there is a lot of content available very readily on the Google sites. But then the problem is it's not very structured. Some content is in the form of PDF, some content is on YouTube free channels, some content is given by different coaching institutes on their respective Facebook group, something is on Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, Instagram, LinkedIn, website, and whatnot. So there are a hell lot of other sources to manage and study together from. And hence, when we were having a discussion, I think last like a couple of months ago by some of our last year students that okay, what are the major pain points that you guys felt when you prepared with us last year? So that's when some students suggested, sir, it's very important for us to have a dedicated portal so that I don't have to hover on Facebook group or WhatsApp or YouTube channel or some other platform to watch your sessions. There should be one dedicated portal where we can watch everything. And since then, I think it's been what 6 months that I've been working very actively on developing this portal. And yes, we have our LMS learning management system portal ready for you guys. Okay, which essentially means that now all the students do not have to go on YouTube, wait for us to upload the sessions. They don't have to go to the Facebook group to us to access assignments. Now they can do everything at their ease from their portal. They can log in from their phone, they can log in from their laptop. It is available both on the phone as well as the laptop. So yes, before I give you a working demonstration of how the portal works, this is the journey of Prepzone. So I think we have been working on this poster since last couple of weeks. That okay, we should have a journey so that we know what we have done in the last 4 years. And when we put everything across, every thought of ours into a single template, then that's what really came up. That okay, since last 4 years, I think we started with a mere group of 50, 60, 100 students, and I think we have touched the lives of more than 13,000 students enrolled plus free students that we have across our different social media platforms. And if I look at the CAD and the GDPI, these have been the highlights of Prepzone. GDPI, of course, it is running #1 in the country, and I know there has been a lot of demand about GDPI, but we take only limited students, and that's where students who join us early, they get benefited from it. These start from the month of December. We started with 470 converts from 100 students, then 520 in the next year. Last year has been 1520 to be precise, and this year we are still counting. So let's see, we are really excited and we are waiting to break the record of this 1500 converts. Only time will tell whether we are able to do it or not. But if we talk about CAT, I think we have been quite consistent in terms of the number of students who score 99.5 plus. So if you see, the highest percentile has been 99.91, 99.99, and 99.91. It has been 99.9 plus in the last 3 years of our CAT batches. And if we talk about the percentage of students that scored more than 99.5 plus, I think the below graph, that line bar, that gives you an indication that okay, 10% students 99.5 plus in 2019, then 12, and then 10%. Percentage is the right KPI or the metric or a judgment of a coaching institute. It is not the number. A lot of coaching institutes say we have 50 students, 100 students scoring 99.5 plus, but go and check with them that this 100 is out of how many students, right? If the base is say 10,000, then 100 is what? Hardly 1% of it, right? So always ask question that what is the base? That's more important. So here we try to use the right KPI, that is the percentage metric. And these are the different areas that we are trying to help students in, be it the personalized mentorship, experienced tribe mentors, the fees, we have tried to keep it very affordable, and the small batch size. That is what has kept us going and giving such a great results. Okay. So yeah, that's about it. And with this, let me quickly jump on to the portal. These portals will be using for our existing CAT batches, for the upcoming placement booster batches, and for the upcoming GDPI batches. So yes, these until now people have been using our YouTube channel to access videos, Facebook to access content, but now everything is now sorted and we have our portal. So how do you access the portal? Any student can sign up on the portal to access everything. Okay, just go to our website, step number 1, myprepzone.com. There you will start seeing a button of login. So all you have to do is to click on the login. Okay, in the login page you will have a sign up menu, right? So either you can log in with your Google account, or you can, if you're not logged in, you can sign up. Because I already have an account, I will just try to log in. Okay. The moment I log in, I directly land on this page, which talks about that, okay, what are the courses that I'm currently enrolled in? So these are the different courses that I am currently enrolled in. These are my combo packs. I can also add courses to my wish list, etc., etc. Right? But if I go to my home page, this is how the home page of my portal will look like. Exactly similar to the website. These are the plans. These are the sessions that I have taken for preparation schedule, detailed roadmap in last 4, 5, 6 months. You can go and check it out. But if you want to have a look at the courses, either you can make a search from here, say for example, batches. So you can see all the running courses currently, or you can go to explore courses. And these are the combo packs. Combo packs is like economical combo packs, which has multiple courses in it. So for example, if I need to check out, okay, hey man, what is this full course remedial? Or if I need to check out what is this batch 2, what all has been done, all I have to do is to go and click here on the bundle details. This will give me an idea. Okay, this will include Quant, LRDI, VARC ke live batches. Okay, if I need to go and check, okay, what all has been done in Quant, I'll directly come here. It will give me the details, and at the bottom, I'll be able to see, okay, geometry has been done. Number system ke 3-4 topics have been done, and this is just the orientation session. At the moment you enroll, you sign up from here, you do not have to wait for us to give you the access. You will directly get the access at the same spur of moment. That's the beauty. It will reduce our operational cost and your waiting time, right? So this is how I can go and check the courses details, everything, just by clicking on it. And these are the different courses. In fact, you can see, okay, what are the live courses that are currently offered by Prepzone. All of these are the live courses. If you want to go for the bundles or say full courses, these are the combo packs, which is like full course sort of thing, right? Then if you want to go for self-learning courses, these are the self-learning courses. If you want to say register only for geometry, it is available at a cheap rate of rupees 500, guys. And in this, you will get 6 video sessions. Okay. If you want to access to the entire LRDI remedial, this is how you can do it. For example, if I want, once you enroll it in it, and if you want to see that okay, what all is included here, these are the sessions, right? So you can see all these sessions: Venn diagram, binary logic, cubes, OMAT, basics, say DI, right? Data interpretation, routes and networks. Everything will be available to you directly. You can start watching it. Okay. Of course, these are not shareable. We have tried to minimize the privacy concerns. So yes, you can access it very well if you are enrolled into it. If you want to say mentorship, you'll be able to say everything. And even in case if you want to chat with me directly, you have any concerns, any issues you are facing, this is need help, you can directly click here and you will be directly chatting with me. Okay, this is my phone number. So the moment you click here, you'll be able to chat with me. So do let me know in the comment section any feedback you have on this portal. But this is what we have tried to come up, and we'll try to enhance it by incorporating more features in it. Like in a couple of months, student will be able to come on the portal. They'll be able to take Zoom session from it. Faculty can upload it. We have a dedicated portal for faculty, for admin, for students. But yes, do use the product. Let us know how you feel about it, and if there is any feedback. But I believe this should really sort out the journey of all the Prepzone batch students and even other students. I'll try to upload that entire LRDI playlist in this, so that there are some free sessions available for Quant, for LRDI. You can access everything from the portal. So yes, if you have not signed up till now, you can go and sign up on the portal so that you will start seeing everything. Okay, so that's all. And we are looking forward for it. And I hope, by the way, you guys have started attempting the LRDI and the RC Quizathon. This is very, very important. If you have not started doing it, kindly start doing it ASAP. Okay, great guys. I'll see you then.